चलिए इस बीच आरईसी के रिजल्ट्स पर बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ कंपनी के सीएमडी श्री पीवी रमेश मौजूद हैं। उनसे बात करते हैं। मिस्टर रमेश, शुक्रिया हमारे साथ इस बातचीत में शामिल होने के लिए। तो सर, सबसे पहले तो आपका आउटलुक ओवरऑल अगर हम सालाना बेसिस पर बात करें तो रिजल्ट्स पर क्या है? डू यू एक्सपेक्ट FY18 टू बी फार बेटर देन व्हाट FY17 वाज?
Good afternoon and thanks for having me. And I'm really pleased to be part of this conversation. And I'm particularly encouraged by the growth that we have experienced during 16-17, which is in this terms of sanctions, 28% growth, disbursement 26% growth, profitability 11% growth, and with a PAT of about 5,600 crores. It's been, we are part of this, the power sector growth story that the country is scripting at the moment. And more importantly, we are also the nodal agency for Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana, which seeks to reach power, quality power, to every single village and every single household in this country by strengthening the distribution infrastructure. Right. We are also nodal agency for the Uday program, the Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana, that seeks to again strengthen the distribution systems in this country. With all this, and it is expected with the strategic vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, it is expected that the power sector would require an investment of about 15 lakh crores in the next 5 years. And that would mean the REC should grow at a much higher level in the financial year 17-18 and could be much register a higher profitability than this year, last year.
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल होगा आपसे। प्रोविजनिंग थोड़ी ज्यादा नजर आ रही है इस बार जो कंपनी ने बीती तिमाही में प्रोविजनिंग क्रिएट की है। कुछ कंसर्न्स हैं क्या गोइंग फॉरवर्ड?
हाँ नहीं जी, actually let me say this. We have the lowest, REC has the lowest NPAs among all its peers, any financial institutions. Its gross NPA is 2.4%, our net is 1.6%. And we've always been following prudent financial norms of the RBI as well as the best practices of financial governance. So the provision that you made is essentially in slippage of 2 private sector projects, one in Tamil Nadu and one in Sikkim. That is about 616 crores. So kindly don't look at only 1 quarter results as an indicator for the corporation like ours.
राइट सर, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए, नतीजों पर बात करने के लिए। दिन के उच्चतम स्तर के बेहद करीब आरईसी रूल कर रहा है, लेकिन मार्केट्स क्लोज होने